A very good morning to all of you friends.
Good morning.
So we are here with our new activity, that is introduction to tens and ones. We took a break for few days. Now we are back with activities that Anaika loves to do and that we both do together. So here this is the way I introduced tens and ones for Anaika. A very simple method, and the resources used are also very simple. Few pieces of paper, few ice cream sticks, and these are the circles from one of our game that she really loves to do. If you can't find the circles, you can just cut the circles and you can use them. Before we start this activity, the most important thing that I want to tell you all is that you have to make your child aware that digits make the number. There are 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9, and when we mix or when we bring together the digits, we frame a number. So that is what I had taught Anaika. So it's my personal experience. So you are all free to use or teach anything that you feel your child is comfortable. Okay, without further delay, Anaika, let's start the activity. Yes. So the first one, I will put the I have told her that these ice cream sticks are the tens and the circles are the, what are they, Anaika? They are the ones.
One.
Okay. So I will put the ice cream stick and Anaika will recognize the number. These tens. Very good. So where should you write? But we should start with ones. So how many ones are there?
4.
Very good. So write it. Where should you write 4? But first you write here in this box. First, what? Ones. How many ones?
How many ones? 4.
Very good. We should not be in a hurry and don't write like that. Write small. Yeah.
Sorry.
Then how many tens?
3.
Very good. Okay. So what is the number?
Number?
Yes. So it's a very simple
3.
method. Yes. 34.
4.
Very good. So number is 34. How many ones are there in the number?
How many ones?
Yes. How many ones?
4.
Very good. Write it here. So if we do this method, I think it becomes easier for them to identify which is ones, which is tens. So you can just try with this method. The first activity that we are going to do is the same. I'm going to put the sticks and Anaika is going to recognize the number and write the number here in the tens and ones place. Okay. This is the next number. Can you please write, Anaika? What is this number? Quickly count.
1, 2, 1.
First we should start with the ones house.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Where should you write? In the first house. Where should you write? Very good. Write it. How many tens in the, how many are there in tens house?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. So what is the number? Can you read out?
45.
Very good. Now, okay. Yes. Now can you read out? First, always from the ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good here in this house. Where should you write? This is ones or tens?
Ones.
Very good.
Should I write like this?
Yes, 6, yes. So sometimes they might get confused. Yeah, write it. Yeah, 6. Very good. How many tens are there?
How many tens are there? 2.
Very good. So what is the number? Read out.
26.
Very good. Now, this is the next number. So in this way, this method,
2.
count from beginning. Which should you first do? Always start with the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Where should you write? Ones or tens house?
This one.
That is which house?
One's house.
Very good. Write it down. And how many tens are there? To see the number. First pick up a number. Okay. Now Anaika has to tell me the number. Please put your number here.
34.
Very good. Put your number here. But show it. 34. Okay.
No, I want to do
Okay, she doesn't want to show it. So she will cut it and she will paste it here. So now she has got the glue. And so what was the number, Anaika? What is the number? 34. So which You have cut it into two parts. Which number shall you put it in the tens house and which one in ones house?
34.
Yes. So
3.
3 in which house?
3 in this house.
Very good. That is tens house. Okay. Very good. Yes. Put it. Only one drop. One drop and that's enough. Yeah. 30.
4.
Yeah. 30. Then?
And 4.
Yes. I have put it. Okay.
I want to stick it. Don't stick
Okay. Next one. Next number. So this also becomes a very simple method, but I feel children get engaged with this. Next. Very good. So you can first cut it.
it.
Yes, cut it and tell me which house, which digit you should place.
I know what was first
Okay, tell me.
and what was second.
Yeah, please put it. So as you can see, she loves this kind of activities. So I have used these activities. Don't put a lot. You can just use this much. Okay, 29. So read out the number.
2 is in tens house and 9 is in ones house.
Very good. Next is, so as Anika loves cut paste, I have used this activity.
25.
If your child is not very good at cutting, you can just cut it and keep it, and you can ask the child orally the number, and then you can ask the child to paste it. What's the number? 20. Now with our last activity, here I have drawn the bars and I just want her to recognize the number. Yeah, please recognize number.
This one first.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. So right.
I write here.
Where should you
Here.
write?
Here.
You tell me. Ones or tens?
1.
Very good. Write it quickly. Next. How many tens? Good job. Here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Where should we write?
Here.
Yes. Very good. Here, how many tens ones are there?
Only bars, not
When nothing is there in one's house, what should we write?
10 only.
Yes, but when nothing is there in one's house, what should we write? Nothing means what should we write?
0.
Very good. So first you should write 0. In one's house? No, one's house 0, because one house nothing is
Like
there.
this?
Yes, 0. Yes, and in tens house?
2.
Very good. So this is a very
22.
20, not 22, 20, 20, 20.
2 0 20.
So this was a tricky question. I knowingly did it so that child can understand when there are nothing is there in one's house, we have to write 0. We cannot leave it empty. Yes, very good. Good job. So here with this we complete our tens and
Yes.
ones activities.
And if you hope this channel, you subscribe to this channel and do this with your parents or your kids.
So as you can hear, Anika wants you all, if you like our activities, please subscribe to our channel.
And ring the bell if you want to.
Ring the bell icon for the new updates. Hope you like our activities. Please stay
Yeah.
in touch. Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Bye. Thank you. Have a good day every day.